In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up an email autoresponder in GetResponse, step by step. Whether you're just getting started with GetResponse or need a quick refresher, stick around because I'll walk you through everything you need to know to get this set up fast. And I'll also share some alternatives you might want to consider that could be a better fit for your needs. Let's dive right into the first thing you need to do. Start by logging into your GetResponse account. Once you're in, head over to the Automation section from the dashboard. This is where you'll set up your email autoresponder. Now, the next thing is to click on Create Workflow. You'll see a few different options for workflows, but for this purpose, we'll be using the Autoresponder workflow, which is perfect for automating emails to your subscribers when they sign up, purchase something, or take any other action. Once you've selected Autoresponder, you'll be asked to name your workflow. This is a good time to use a descriptive name so you can easily identify it later on, especially if you plan to have multiple autoresponders running. Next, you'll be taken to the workflow editor. The first thing you'll want to do is set up your trigger. This is the action that will start the autoresponder. For instance, you can set it so that when someone subscribes to your list, they immediately receive an email. For the next thing, let's talk about creating your email. Once you've set the trigger, click on the plus button in the workflow editor to add your first email. You can either choose a pre-designed template or create your own from scratch. The drag and drop email editor is pretty intuitive, so you can customize your message without needing to know any code. Moving on, the fourth thing to keep in mind is the timing of your emails. You don't want to overwhelm your subscribers with too many emails too quickly. You can adjust when your autoresponder emails are sent, whether it's immediately after the trigger, a few hours later, or on a specific day. GetResponse lets you fine-tune this with a flexible scheduling system. After setting the timing, the next thing is to test your workflow. Before you go live, make sure to preview your emails, check the timing, and ensure everything looks perfect. You don't want to be sending out broken links or missing images. Once you've tested everything and it's looking good, you can activate the autoresponder by clicking the Activate button. And just like that, you've set up your autoresponder. Now, while GetResponse is a solid option for setting up email autoresponders, it's not the only choice out there. If your goal is more advanced features or better flexibility for scaling, there are a couple of alternatives I think are worth mentioning. The first alternative is ActiveCampaign. It offers more advanced automation and segmentation tools, which can be useful if you're looking for deeper customization. But it's a bit more complicated for beginners and not as intuitive as GetResponse. Another good option is ConvertKit. It's focused on creators and has a very user-friendly interface, but it's missing some of the advanced features GetResponse offers. It's great if you're just getting started, but may not grow with you in the long run. And while we're talking about competitors, I want to mention something really exciting for you. We've partnered with GetResponse to offer you an exclusive and extended free trial. But we've also included links to some amazing alternatives that might actually suit your needs better, and guess what? They also come with free trials. So, check out the links in the description to get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to you as our viewers. Whether you stick with GetResponse or try one of the alternatives, you're covered.